All right. I was wrong. Let's fix it. Afnan Lynked Freedom. This is arguably one of the best designer fragrances on the market. And I know y'all like, wait a minute, Walt. That's not a designer fragrance. I said what I said. This is probably better than 99% of the designer fragrances you can buy right now. It's probably better than the 2 designer fragrances that this is a hybrid of. Still a clone. Y'all got mad at me about that when I originally talked about this. It's still a clone. I don't care if it's a hybrid, but still, that's how good it is. Let's talk about it. Yo, what's going on, party people, fat boy family? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Do me a favor, feel free, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you're notified every single time I post new content to the channel. But let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, for those of you who have been following me, I posted my top 5, but I gave you 10 fragrances that you should have in your collection from the house of Afnan. That was our video from Saturday. That's the video I posted on Saturday. And somebody quickly reminded me. It was like, bro, Lynked Freedom. And I'm like, bruh, in full transparency, that's not the first time I've done that. And the reason is because, honest to God, when you get used to certain houses, like I still got some bottles in front of me. When I see this bottle, immediately I know that's Afnan without even seeing the name. When I see this bottle, immediately I know that's Afnan without even seeing the name. When I see this bottle, I know that's Afnan immediately without even seeing the name. So that's one reason I think Latafa, French Avenue, Afnan, Armaf, Dumont, Rasasi, Hadlaj, Rayhan stick to bottle styles because it makes things so much more recognizable. All of these other crazy bottles that's coming out, like unless you're starting a brand new series, stick to that. And I often forget that this is Afnan. No BS, y'all. I'm not lying. But you can see this is not from decanting. That's a real dent. So much to the point I dropped this, my cap actually broke. So you may see right there. Like, so this don't even stay on. It comes off. But I often forget that this is an Afnan fragrance, but I reach for a whole lot. The 2 DNAs that is really going after. We don't really have to talk about the presentation with this. You can see Linked is kind of got that chain link thing going on. And it's not like visibly an Afnan fragrance. It's just a clear bottle. And then you got it in black right there on the side. But I grab it all the time. And you got that most wanted parfum DNA. I think it's the black and the brown gradient, which I have. And you got that myself, either the parfum or the EDP, which I have both of those. I reach for this, especially as much as I love that myself DNA, I reach for this more than I reach for those because I love the combination of the 2. Now, y'all gonna get mad at me again because when I originally made this video, I think the end of last year or when it first came out, boy, y'all was upset with me. It's an original. It's not a clone. I'm like, fam, if you take 2, I don't care how, this is nothing against Afnan. I don't care how you slice this pie. If I take an original DNA and I put those 2 things together, yeah, you want to say I created something. It's still a clone. Call it a hybrid clone, whatever you want to call it. It's still a clone. But what I love about this is, you know, with a designer fragrance, if you have a designer, 9 times out of 10, you're probably gonna have lavender. And so you get a combination of lavender and then the sweetness that comes from the caramel and the depth that you get from there. But I stand by what I said. This legit, you could put this up against just about any designer, 99, 98, 99% of any designer fragrance. I'm talking about from the quality. All right. I'm talking about from the performance. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. This is the masterpiece, in my opinion, from Afnan. I will give them that credit. Now, the other two that I really do talk about all the time, you do, and I just talked about, you have Supremacy Collector's Edition, which everybody loves. And then you have Afnan 9 p.m. Night Out. And even when I made this video, I said that this was Afnan's best work. Once again, I forgot all about Link. So this is not the first time that I'm actually, you know what I'm saying, having to do a recorrection. This is still good. This is still goated. This is still great. I just think that Vanguard from Mason Asrar, which is over there somewhere, I just think Vanguard is better. Some of y'all thought I was blaspheming on that. Get it, try it. My thing, people are like, hey, no, it's not. I'm like, do you have it? No, I don't have it. I'm like, okay, then you can't speak on it. It's like us trying to argue with basketball players who played basketball with the basketball players we argue about in the barbershop. Like, even though it's still subjective and it's their opinion, if I'm gonna trust anybody, I'm probably going to trust the person that was on the court with these people or got a chance to see these people. Matter of fact, they had the skill set to make it to the same league that these people played in. Our lifetime achievement is playing high school basketball, but yet we want to shoot somebody in the barbershop over our opinion. It's crazy work to me. Nonetheless, if I had to say definitely a top three, I would definitely include these in the top three. I think this one, just from a respect and emotionalism standpoint, y'all gonna love this, and it still is good. I'm not saying that it's not. I do love this, and I gotta repent. I did say this was Afnan's best work. This is Afnan's second best work. You know what I'm saying? The dragon fruit in here is crazy work. This is love. But to me, every day, all around, dumb compliment, easy to wear, dress up, dress down, it just works. Mass appealing, huge compliments. People are gonna break their necks when you walk by. Performance, longevity, easy 8 hours all day. 4 hour worth of projection, like it booms off your skin. You can wear it in the summer, you can wear it in the spring, you can wear it in the fall, you can wear it in the wintertime. It's good. I dare you, because I like, honest to God, I would put this up against myself. I would put this up against the Most Wanted Parfum. Like, I would put this up against any of the DNAs that have any resemblance to this whatsoever. This is that good, even in the quality of the oil that you're getting, because that's one of the things that I talk about with Afnan. And if y'all think I'm blowing smoke, Afnan is in Ulta now. It's amazing to me. I talked about this in the video Saturday, and I'm gonna wrap this up, but I talked about how we always look, well, let me not say we, I always looked at Afnan for the blends, because they do not come out with a whole bunch of fragrances like Lattafa and French Avenue. Matter of fact, Lattafa has kind of slowed down. It seems like French Avenue coming out with a new fragrance every week. They dropping a new fragrance at least once a week. Afnan took, you know how y'all love to talk about the Webster's definition of niche, how they focus on smaller batches. Afnan actually has really taken that route. That has really been their stance, where it's like, we want to focus on quality more than quantity. And still to this day, I say they have the best blends out of all of the Middle Eastern companies that focus on clone fragrances. Because again, we understand there's an Amouage, there's an Oman Luxury, there's a Kajal, there's a Nishane. So y'all stop saying I hate Middle Eastern companies. No, just say you hate dupes, because y'all got all these Middle Eastern companies that's in your background, and you up here talking about you hate the Middle East. You sound crazy. But hear me when I ain't trying to sell you on this. Sample it, get it. All of my hair store, you should be able to find this easily. I'll drop a link down in the description for you to check it out. But I promise you, fam, you're gonna be hard pressed. Matter of fact, let's just look it up. Let's just look it up. Linked by Afnan. Linked. Hold on. Linked Freedom by Afnan. Right now, we're talking sub $40. If you buy it directly from Afnan, it's $50. But on discounters, you're talking sub $40 for something that would go toe to toe with most of the fragrances that cost, let's see how much Azzaro Most Wanted. Let's see how much that costs. The parfum. Let's see. The most wanted Azzaro, the most wanted parfum. Azzaro, the most wanted parfum. And here's the crazy part. On discounters, that's roughly sub $80, sub $70, sub $80 for a full bottle. So we're for 100 ml. So if you think about it, we're not far off. We're not far off. It's crazy how you don't even see this junk like in an Ulta or whatnot. They're selling that junk for dirt cheap. But let's go over here, look at YSL Myself. Once again, cheap. Even if we just if we just talking about the EDP. But if you was to buy retail, let's say if you went to Sephora. If I went to Sephora right now and said I wanted YSL Myself, just the EDP. If I wanted 100 mils, they're gonna charge me $165. If I wanted Azzaro, the most wanted parfum, they're gonna charge me $145. So Azzaro, the most wanted parfum, $145 retail. YSL Myself, the EDP, not even the parfum, they're gonna charge me $165. This right here, I can get for sub $40. And it's just, y'all know, y'all do not hear me say this about cologne fragrances, but this is one I had to come back, do a retraction and say, yo, if there is one that I'm putting up there, let's go to war with, this is one of them ones right here from the House of Afnan. This is Linked Freedom. All right, so listen, I said what I said. You could feel how you want to feel about it. If you have it, you know. If you don't have it, I'm knocking stuff over. If you don't have it, check it out. Sub $40. I'll link it down in the description. Sub $40. I'm talking sub $40 for one of the best designer fragrances in a clone bottle that you ever gonna buy in your life. Nonetheless, beat it up in the comments, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click the bell to be notified every single time I post more content like this to the channel. But until next time, well, yo, I got some other videos y'all can watch too, so they should be on your screen right now. Yeah, if you want to watch them, or subscribe, or I think you can buy some merch as well. Nonetheless, keep watching. You know what I'm saying? Because I got some other dope videos I think y'all be interested in. All right, I'll catch y'all later.